guys, Leki here from ProPhysio Plus. I'm a physiotherapist and today I'm going to be walking through a remarkable training program that's helpful for osteoarthritis sufferers. Let's get started. My journey into backward walking was inspired by Ben Patrick, the knee over toes guy. Like him, I had a lot of injuries playing contact sport for many years and I started to develop hip and knee joint problems. So I've started the program over 18 months working with Ben in helping me in rehabilitation of my osteoarthritic joint pain. At the core of the practice, walking backwards and knee over toes is fundamentally strengthening. What we're focused on is key leg muscles, specifically your quadriceps, strengthening that muscle at the front of your thigh. Now, this groundbreaking program helps in breaking traditional beliefs where for a long time we were trained and coached not to squat, for example, where your knee would rise past your toes. Now, in the knee over toe program, we're encouraging safe but progressive load of the knee as it moves past the ankle, and we're looking to do this in a pain-free and comfortable manner. For individuals coping with osteoarthritis, what's really important is the harmony between your bones and your muscles. Walking backwards helps promote your balance and proprioception, and what it can do is help improve your balance and reduce your risk of falls. The number one joint that most people suffer with osteoarthritis pain is your knee. And so when you're walking backwards, it's a really key exercise in strengthening this thigh muscle at the front, your quadriceps. If you can improve your strength here, it can help reduce your risk of falling, which is important for people suffering with osteoarthritis. For many people that are managing osteoarthritis, walking backwards is going to be a godsend. As you improve, you can start to increase the difficulty, like pulling on a sled as you're walking backwards. That can increase the challenge and the resistance, asks a lot of questions on your body. And over time, as you progress the load, add some plates on, increase the difficulty, your legs will get stronger and stronger. If you can't use a sled, another really handy thing is walking backwards up a hill, like a slight incline. That's really handy too. So if you have osteoarthritis pain, or if you know someone that does, sprinkling in a little bit of backward walking in your programming can be really beneficial. Nothing beats happy joint. Please let me know in the comments below on how you went with some backward walkings. I'd be really interested to know. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for all the upcoming information, and I'll speak to you soon in the next video. Have a great day.